Explore 2025, 200 stylish garden fence and wall designs, modern exterior ideas for your home. As we step into 2025, your outdoor spaces deserve a fresh and vibrant makeover with the latest trends in garden fence designs and boundary wall ideas. Whether your aesthetic leans towards the sleek, modern, the cozy, rustic, or you crave something uniquely stylish, this collection of ideas is thoughtfully curated to inspire and elevate your outdoor living experience. In this exciting showcase, you'll discover a plethora of creative possibilities for both garden fences and boundary walls. Each design not only serves the functional purpose of privacy and delineation, but also acts as an artful extension of your personal style and home's architecture. Modern garden fences with clean lines and minimalist aesthetics can provide a sleek backdrop for a contemporary home. In contrast, rustic wooden fences with natural textures contribute warmth and charm, enhancing the beauty of your garden's greenery. For those who wish to make a bold statement, consider vibrant wall colors or intricate patterns that stand out and delight. Alternatively, mix materials like metal, wood, and glass to create a dynamic visual texture that catches the eye. These design elements can transform your backyard or patio into a sophisticated retreat, perfect for entertaining or enjoying peaceful, solitary moments. Beyond mere aesthetics, these fence and wall ideas incorporate practical landscaping solutions, offering improved functionality. Features such as vertical gardens for space-saving greenery or cleverly integrated lighting for ambience after sundown are just a few innovative options. By selecting a design that complements your existing landscape, your outdoor area becomes a seamless extension of your home, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. This video is not only a visual treat for homeowners, but also a treasure trove of inspiration for designers and garden enthusiasts alike. Whether you are embarking on a complete landscape overhaul or simply seeking ideas to refresh your current setup, these 200 cutting-edge designs provide endless possibilities to explore. With thoughtful attention to detail and a focus on harmonizing beauty with utility, the garden fences and boundary walls of 2025 promise not just enhanced curb appeal, but an upgraded lifestyle for those who embrace these modern exterior ideas. Let your imagination run wild and redefine your outdoor spaces to reflect your unique taste and the latest trends in garden design.